Mfana kagama lo. Welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where we react to Zion music. Ukutula, ukwaba, we break down the lyrics to try and get the message behind it. We compliment, we give positive feedback. Basically, non-toxic Zion channel. Lana, we're not here to talk about people's businesses. Zelanga local lands. La solalele umculo. Silalele umculo. Nothing beats umculo. What's up, bro? Hey, ngiyathemba ukuthi abantu bayaphila. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, oh my god, this phone is low key. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure that you. Why is the echo now? Anyway, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like, so that my videos can get around. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos could get around. And oh, good sound, Lulil. It's the Monday. It's the Monday. It's the Sunday. It's the Sunday, and tomorrow, guys, I'm turning 25. Hey, 25. Yeah, so that's a bit day. Yeah. So anywho, today I'm still waiting for videos to get uploaded. No one is uploaded nothing. Apparently, we in something yes. They are the only people that have uploaded so far. But Nakon was just a 2-minute video. But I know more videos, probably from Namhlan to Pambi, we'll get to see more videos. So today we are reacting to Joba Mission. Inyanga Inyanga Ekulu and Singobelwa Ngwe. Yes. So, Bokumshato was a Galila. So, without wasting you guys' time, let's just dive right into it. Wow, no, wait, wow, hold on, wait. Whoa, wait. Before you send into link, I wasn't expecting that. That sounds beautiful. That sounds so beautiful and compact. It just sounds so nice and calm and clean. Which is what it is cool. Guys, Inyanga isn't Inyanga like Bomasangoma so. Okay, let me not get it twisted. What is the actual meaning of Inyanga, Bafethu? Please, ngicela ningitshele lapha kuma comment section. The actual, because I know as umuntu waseGoli mina ngithatha inyanga as umuntu oyisangoma inyanga yami. But I'm sure it has a different meaning compared to what we are subjected to njengoba ngumuntu waseGoli. So, and I also want to get the lyrics because kuthiwa uyasithanda uyasinakekela inyanga enkulu unkosi. Nkosi yami uNkosi uJesu somewhere lapha. But ngizozwa kahle after ukuthi bathini from left. Yeah, cala intsheleni ukuthi legama elithi inyanga lichaza ukuthini. Right? Because njengoba ngisho umuntu waseGoli mangithiwa inyanga ngicabanga isangoma. But I know that it might not even mean that. Maybe it's just a word that's just been casually used. But cala intsheleni in the comment section what it actually means. sithanda sinakekela inyanga enkulu ukhona la igama lakhe uJesu. Now that's a bar. I just wanted to catch what they were saying because manje from ukhona la, that part uJesu, that was the part bengayizwa. So yeah, I think that's what they're saying. Khona inyanga enkulu igama li oh Jesu Nkosi yami I can't Zulu sangitrap. Anyway, there is a bigger protector or a bigger healer. His name is Jesus. Siva again up in the first part. Oh! You know me, you know my story. Me, the first part, my corner, everything runs smoothly for me. Guys, wait. Na recommendation engicelayo. Ngicela ngikhombiseni ibandla where there is a female ofuthayo. I haven't seen abantu besimama abafuthayo in a minute. Like in a minute. I remember yabona lo muntu lo asaphila. She could, by the way. Bekakhona because abo baba bam, my father and my uncles, I ain't abantu baseZayun, and yes, they can sing here and there, but ukufutha because yabona ukuthanda nokuzungeza kakhulu. So obvious, if bayazungeza bazofutha. So she could. The last time ngabona umuntu afutha, it was a female. We were at some funeral. Jomo was there. The funeral yakhona, I don't remember much. I was a kid. But this lady begafake all white nedugu. I don't know what's being. I was just walking past, going somewhere. Something said wait and look and turn back. So I stood there and I looked back. Lo mama, ngedugu nangeskali. She was here, bro. Let me show you. She was here. She was here. Tell me why, name. Tell me why after she did that. I ran back. I think I don't know who it was. I went to someone and I said, bakhona abantu besifazane abafuthayo kanti. Oh, but I think ma, kunabosisi abakhona ukufutha la. I don't remember that person whether it was my aunt or it was my grandmother or it was my mom. The answer was yebo bakhona. I was shocked. Like you. The way is a call. Nah. And I'm sure to update. I don't remember whose funeral it was or whose. I don't know. So now I put by a foot. So I wasn't paying attention to the lady behind the one under the sticker. Le sticker sa lo put was kalile. Alright? Lo futa. There's a lady behind her. So I wasn't paying attention. So it's food on a bega show. They went hand in hand. I thought you're food. I'm like, wait, what? Crazy guys. I thought you're food. They say, okay, ngizwa zonke itimoni sinqobela nguwe angazonke or something, but let me tell you something. Mina guys, I talk a lot, ngiyazi. That is why ngicayele into because ngiyazazi ngiyapepereza. The song is nice. No, this song is nice. Of all the songs esasezayoni, I love ingoma esiculwa kanje. Ne 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 ne. Like there are many songs, but Mongambuza, which one do I know of? None. So ingoma esiphela just phela ngabo kakhulu. It does not matter what the song is about because that is the rhythm. That is the rhythm that I resonate with the Zion. Na ni ne. And so many songs have that, but I don't know how many songs I don't know any. But this one, I'm definitely saving this video. It's oh my god. It's just beautiful, man. Understand? And now you get to hear Alto gahle. Like right now Alto is dominating the song. Like it's dominating. Sfuto. Listen, the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I've heard some of the best Sfutos ever with some of the slowest and some of the quickest and some of the nicest choruses ever. Like on point. Like on point. I feel so bad, man. I feel so bad because, yeah, sometimes my hearing can fail me. Seriously, my hearing can fail me. So and this video can't be this long. This video is like legit 5 minutes. But guys, man, and I'm so pissed with ang beso. Guys, come on, guys, ay, yo, okay, noma izimo zifika sinqobela uwe. Angazi what that part says after that, but I know the message behind the song is everything that happens, you take care of it. Everything that happens, I put it basically saying I take everything and ngishiywe ezandleni zami. Understand? Guys, no man. Job! In the job! In the job mission! Aye. It's the song is too catchy. Like I can't hold myself no more. I'm cold. Ngathi ngavele ngene nje ngale vele mbambe nje ijazi nje nyo abantu bakhathela manje. Angazi guys, I'm not saying anything, but maybe next week Sunday I might just nje inyozungeza nje kancane 2 minutes nje. Job machine. Job machine. No, you guys sound so wonderful. And I just don't know what it is. But however it is or whatever it is, ngishaya somewhere la ngizwa lana man lento man. Ngizwe enhlizweni. Hey. Undise bandleni uyangizimela mina. Uyithatha ngoba injalo indaba yawe ngitshela umakhelwane.
ngizonqoba ngani ngamazwi? No, you guys definitely deserve that one. Someone in the break went, "Yay!" I was like, "Vele, they deserve it. You out of your mind. Like, you out of your mind not to. Sizoyinqoba ngamandla kaJehova." Listen, that's the line, by the way. You out of your mind. They sound good. They sound phenomenal. I've never heard of this church. Listen, I've never heard of a lot of church, and I've been saying that. I've never. Hey, they sound wonderful. What? I have turned a 5-minute video into a 25-minute long video. Listen, it wasn't me. Yibo, it was not me. I'm not the person behind this. Yibo, guys. Yes, I ran the channel, but I never said they must sing that damn good. I never said that. They just decided good and they were nah, man, that was beautiful. I'm keeping that video. Now I'm keeping that video for myself and future references. That song was fantastic. Look, I always say to people, dog, I don't care. Music is music. You choose the music you want to, right? If you like me and you like hip hop, you choose whatever type of hip hop you want to get into. Yeah, I understand. I appreciate music. And no zazi ukuthi uphiwe la. Use it. You know, mvencanga kakuphanga ivoice ukuthi uthule. Ukuphila ukuthi thina ukhulume kakhulu fine nami or ucule. But you must choose which is which. And that wasn't bad. That was Joba missions. And that was fantastic. Another one. That was fantastic. Yabona lento kuba nama expectation uzolimala. I always say, man, I see a name, I download and then you react. Figure out masengilalele ukuthi good, bad, none. Yay, masengilapha. Just because bandla nglaza kusho ukuthi there are churches with weird names that I've discovered. As soon as those people opened their mouth, I was like, I don't have time, bro, to wait for, hey, this one is fame. Hey, popularity to me doesn't mean anything because I'm in an industry where most people are popular but they're not talented. Popularity doesn't mean jack to me. It's the talent that I want. It's the hard work that I care about. It's the determination that I like. I understand. That's all I care about. So if you do like the content on this YouTube channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Guys, I am so sorry for keep looking outside. It's the birds. The birds be flying. So come on to the moon. So anyway, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please, guys, ngicela ningrecommendele isonto Okay, because nyabona manzothi music video nizongipha, but whichever one, recommend, please do recommend a church where there's a female ofutayo. It's been a while since I've seen abantu besimame bafuthayo, because abantu besilisa abashaya first part baningi engibaziyo, but esifuthweni, show me females abafuthayo bafethu, please. That's my ask to you guys. So yo, in the favorite words of Street Jupiter, adios.